What if I told you there are AI tools right now helping ordinary people make $100 per day online without coding, without a big investment, and sometimes without even showing their face? Sounds crazy? But the truth is, while most people are scrolling social media for entertainment, others are quietly using AI tools to build small online income streams every single day. And in this video, I'm going to show you 7 powerful AI tools that can help you start making $100 per day online. But make sure you watch until the end, because tool number 6 is something many online businesses are already paying hundreds of dollars for, and beginners are using it to make money faster than ever before. So let's start with the first AI tool. The first AI tool is ChatGPT. Now, most people already know ChatGPT as a tool that can answer questions, but very few people realize this AI can actually become a powerful income tool. ChatGPT can help you create things like blog articles, YouTube scripts, product descriptions, emails, social media posts, marketing content, and businesses are paying people to create this type of content every single day. Think about it. Millions of websites need new content constantly, but business owners often don't have time to write everything themselves, so they hire freelancers. This is where the opportunity appears. For example, let's say a website owner needs 10 blog articles for their website. You can use ChatGPT to generate the first draft in minutes. Then you simply edit it slightly to make it more natural. A single article can easily sell for $20 to $50. Now imagine writing 3 articles per day. That alone could reach $100 or more daily. And platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are filled with clients searching for writers every day. But writing is just one part of the opportunity, because the next AI tool allows you to create professional designs in minutes, and businesses are constantly looking for designs. The second powerful AI tool is Canva AI. Now, Canva has existed for many years, but recently they added AI-powered design features that make creating graphics incredibly easy. Even if you have zero design experience, with Canva AI, you can create things like Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, logos, posters, marketing banners, business cards. And the best part is, most of these designs can be created using ready-made templates. This means you don't need to be a professional designer. You just modify the text, change the images, and export the design. Now let's talk about the money side. Small businesses need constant social media content, but many of them don't have designers, so they hire freelancers to create content packs. For example, a restaurant owner might need 10 Instagram posts for marketing. Using Canva templates, you could create those posts in 20 to 30 minutes, then sell the package for $50 to $100. And once a client likes your work, they may continue ordering every month, which means you start building recurring income. But now, let's move to something even more exciting, because the next AI tool can actually create videos automatically. The third AI tool is Pictory AI. This tool is extremely powerful, especially for people who want to make money with video content. Here's how it works. You simply paste a script, and the AI automatically turns it into a complete video. The software selects video clips, background music, subtitles, transitions all automatically. Now imagine how powerful this is, because millions of YouTube channels today are faceless channels. They don't show the creator's face. Instead, they use stock footage, voiceovers, subtitles, and many YouTubers hire freelancers to create these videos. For example, a channel owner might need 10 videos per month. Using Pictory, you can generate those videos quickly. Freelancers often charge $30 to $50 per video. Just creating 3 videos per day could already reach $100 daily. And as you gain experience, you could charge even more. But a video is not complete without something very important: a voice. The fourth AI tool is ElevenLabs. This AI is famous for creating extremely realistic voiceovers. In fact, some of these voices sound almost identical to human voices. This technology is becoming very popular for YouTube videos, audiobooks, podcast narration, advertisements, TikTok videos. Now think about this. Many content creators don't want to record their own voice, or they simply don't have good microphones, so they hire freelancers to generate voiceovers for them. Here's an example. A YouTuber needs narration for a 10-minute video. You generate the voice using ElevenLabs, then deliver the audio file. Simple. Voiceover services can easily sell for $20 to $100 per project. And since AI creates the voice quickly, you can complete multiple projects every day. But now we're about to reach something even more interesting, because the next AI tool allows you to create digital art that people actually buy. The fifth tool is Midjourney. Midjourney is an AI that creates stunning images from simple text prompts. You just describe the image, and the AI generates professional artwork. People are using this to create things like wall art, posters, book covers, social media graphics, digital downloads. Now, here's where the opportunity appears. Platforms like Etsy allow people to sell digital art files. For example, you create a beautiful motivational wall art design, then upload it to Etsy. When someone buys, they download the file instantly. No shipping, no inventory. This means you can sell the same design again and again. Some digital sellers earn hundreds of dollars per day selling AI-generated art. But here's something even more powerful. Imagine combining multiple AI tools together, because that's where the real opportunity begins. Let me ask you something. What if you combined ChatGPT for scripts, Pictory for videos, ElevenLabs for voiceovers, Canva for thumbnails? Suddenly, you could create complete YouTube videos from start to finish, and some freelancers charge $500 to $2,000 per channel to manage content. But the next AI tool makes another type of online work extremely easy, and businesses are willing to pay good money for it. The sixth AI tool is Copy.ai. This AI focuses specifically on marketing and sales content. It can generate things like sales pages, product descriptions, ad copy, email campaigns, landing pages. Now here's why this is powerful. Every online business needs good marketing text, because good writing can increase sales dramatically. But writing persuasive marketing content is difficult. That's why businesses hire professionals. For example, an online store might need product descriptions for 30 products. You use Copy.ai to generate high-quality descriptions, then edit and deliver them. A project like this can easily sell for $100 to $300, and businesses often need this service regularly. But the final tool might be the most beginner-friendly of all, because it allows you to create websites in seconds. The seventh AI tool is Durable AI. This tool can generate an entire website in about 30 seconds. Yes, really. You simply enter the business type, for example, cleaning service, restaurant, fitness coach, and the AI automatically generates a website layout, images, written content, contact forms, service sections. Now imagine the opportunity. Millions of small businesses still don't have websites. You could offer a simple service. I will create a professional website for your business. Using Durable AI, you might complete it in 10 minutes. but charge $100 to $300 for the service. Just one client per day could already reach your $100 daily goal. Now listen carefully. AI is not replacing people, but people who learn to use AI will replace people who don't. Right now, we are at the beginning of a huge AI revolution. The tools are becoming more powerful every month, and the people who learn them early will have a massive advantage. So instead of just watching videos about AI, pick one tool from this list, learn it, practice it, and offer a simple service online.